But chatbots are only one capability of Evoge. You can now create an entire coaching program that includes all important information like dates, the agenda, Zoom links, or additional resources like worksheets or coaching chatbots. You can create a program like this under the Coaching Programs tab and either create one from scratch or edit an existing program. In the program editor at the top, you find general information like title and description. And on the left-hand side, you see the structure of the program, where you can add new program modules and change the order by drag and drop. By clicking on one of those program modules, you can edit the detail information of each program module and add your Zoom links, chatbots, or additional resources.